Welcome to Bambaragala Pathana, a breathtaking highland retreat nestled near Ella in the heart of Sri Lanka. As the morning sun rises over the distant hills, soft mist drifts slowly across the rolling grasslands, creating a serene and almost magical atmosphere. The gentle breeze sweeps through the tall grass, adding movement to the landscape and a sense of calm that fills the air. From this vantage point, panoramic views of mist-covered valleys and layered hills stretch as far as the eye can see, inviting travelers to pause and immerse themselves in the tranquility of nature. Perfect for hiking, nature walks, and photography, Bambaragala Pathana offers a unique escape from the bustle of city life. Capture the golden light filtering through the mist. Listen to the soft rustle of the grass and breathe in the fresh, crisp air of Sri Lanka's hill country. Every step here reveals new perspectives, peaceful corners, and quiet spots ideal for reflection. Whether you are wandering across the open grasslands at sunrise or simply standing still to take in the vast undisturbed beauty of the hills, Bambaragala Pathana promises an unforgettable experience, connecting you deeply with the serene and timeless charm of Sri Lanka's highlands.